So today we're out on the west end of Panama City Beach. I've got this great little bungalow that is perfectly situated between Back Beach and Front Beach roads. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath with an attached garage. Gotta love that. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this beautiful beach house on the west end. This one is a short-term rental and you'll see it set up as such. You've got a nice expansive kitchen, updated appliances, and you can see right into the rest of the space, so you're not separated from guests or family and all of that. You've got your dining space here and a nice, beautiful open living room. Now, let's go check out these bedrooms. Welcome to the main ensuite. This one is separated in the back of the house and the other 2 bedrooms are up front. So you've got that split bedroom floor plan. You'll also notice that one of the bedrooms has 2 beds in it, allowing for more heads and beds, as we say if you're an investor, for this to function as a short-term rental. You notice you've got so much space here, and I love this little accent nook. You can make it yours, decorate it, do whatever you would like. So you've got plenty of space, and this ensuite, you need to check it out for yourself. It's got a standing shower and your sinks with a nice large closet. It's perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the actual listing link there for you to find out all the details, including price and square footage, anything that you need. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.